Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Suppose if you have set any pin previously, now if you would like to change that pin to another pin, yes, you can do it. Here I have set 1984 as the pin initially, and now I would like to change it to some other pin. So what I got to do? Just follow this video so that you can also easily change your pin in case you require or whenever you want. Okay. So first you go to the settings of your phone and then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and here select screen lock and biometrics, and while selecting it, it will ask your current pin to confirm. Okay. So this is for authentication purpose only. So give the current pin and click on continue. Now you go to click on the pin again, and you go to type new pin here. Okay, so here I type 1994. Okay, click on continue. Again you go to type the new pin 1994. Previously I set 1984. Now I have switched it to 1994. Okay, and click on OK. Now the pin for our phone will be 1994. Okay, in case if you have set any pin, you can set any pin as per your wish. Okay, and now lock your phone and try to unlock. It will be now changed. Old pin will not work now. You have to give the new pin and click on OK, so that your phone will be unlocked. So in this way you can easily change from one pin to another pin if you require. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.